So hello guys, today I'm going to show you what you can use with Sketch. So I'm just going So as you can see, there's different things. Most of them have Create Sketch, but some of them don't. So yeah. Now I'm just going to go back to Solid and I'm just going to create a sketch. And as you can see, there's the XYZ plane. That's a pretty standard on everything, but here it doesn't show forever. That's one feature that makes the whole thing look much clearer. Now I'm going to click one plane, and as you can see, it's pretty just normal. Just everything on Onshape. Just slapped here, but I'm going to explain the sketch one by one. A thing I did not do on Onshape. So let's go. And so first, as you can see, there's a lot of things. And it wouldn't make a difference. It would make a big difference if some of those things weren't there. Like if there wasn't the trim tool, that'd be a big headache. And yeah, but Fusion 360 only has like 4, 5, 6% of the CAD market, while others like AutoCAD has 45.3% of the CAD market. That's nearly a half. But as you can see, I'm just making the axis, or I'm just making an angle to make it bent. 10 degrees is that. And now I'm going to do that, and I'm going to make another one is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a perfectly straight line. Perfectly embroidered or something. No, that's not good. Well, it's just perfectly straight. And I'm going to put a 360. And it's going to make me another straight line, because that's what it does. And you're probably wondering the black line is. That's just tilting the thing. It's just showing you how it tilted it. So yeah. Some reason they did that, but okay. Now I'm going to trim it. And now I'm going to do it again with the line. And I'm going to start with this. Then I'm going to start again with this. And yeah, I'm not happy with the triangle. I want it to be perfect, but it wasn't coming out perfect. That's not a good thing. Yeah, that's a problem. You know it. So I'm just gonna tell you a bit about the whole market share thing. Now, Onshape holds less than 1% of the market in CAD, and Fusion 360 holds about like 4 to 5 to 6%. And really, it's not much difference. So I'm just gonna cut out everything. But it's more popular for Fusion 360 than Onshape, and that's the reason why I'm getting more views on Fusion. But yeah, now I'm gonna go and I'm going to do another one, another triangle. Yeah, I'm gonna do another triangle. And I'm gonna just make a simple triangle like this. I think I can make it perfect. Now, if you click that icon will basically like finish the sketch for you right there. But as you can see, I've made a different triangle. Wanted to be perfect. Didn't come out perfect. But that's okay. Now, I'm going to take the mirror. Cancel it. Yeah. Now I'm going to take the square. And I'm going to just try and I do not, I can just trim it again. Now I'm going to make a square. So that triangle, you have to make it with lines. But a square, there, it's easy. But you gotta understand the difference between rectangle and square. It's pretty, like I'm going pretty basic for this one video, cause one of my more advanced videos ain't getting a lot of views. So I'm gonna go pretty basic with this video. Sorry for all the CAD professionals, but yeah, a rectangle is basically one side, two sides is longer than the other two sides, so it ain't nothing like a square. Now, as you can see, I've just made a perfect square. Now, I'm going to do another one. That's pretty easy. Just simple stuff right there. Yeah, I'm just making another rectangle. And now, yeah, and as you can see, that weird thing, you just have to rub it out. Really, it's pretty annoying. But first I'm just going to rub this out. But as you can see, I can make a center point circle. Getting confused there. Getting confused with the features. So I've just trimmed all that weird thingies. So now it's time for the, center point circle. Now, as you can see, that's pretty just basic stuff. It's just center point circle. You just make a center point circle. Now I'm going to explain the whole difference. I'm more or less more like the 2-point circle, but I don't know why I haven't added it on my toolbar. From this point on, I'm just trying to explore on the software. But yeah, I just like the 2-point one, and I can make a center point one. And I'm going to now get ellipse. I do not know how to use ellipse. It's kind of weird. See? Just make a square. Please, anyone who knows how to use an ellipse, please link in the comments. And if you have any questions, also link in the comments and I will try to answer them. Or watch a video, or send you a video to watch. Or make a whole video about that. Now, as you can see, not much difference between a 2-point and a center point, but they're good for different cases, both of them. Now I've got the wavy curvy line. This one is just pretty normal. I've already created an oval, it's just pretty normal. Instead of wavy curvy line, it's also an on shape. Yeah, but it's just a bit. The reason why I like fusion more than on shape is because it's just more organized, way more organized. So now I'm going to make objects mirror line, and there. It looks a lot like eyes. Just looks a lot like eyes. Now I'm going to trim it. It's annoying, but I'm trimming it. So there. Now if I'm going to go create, let's finally use it. I was using the mirror besides. It's a triangle with another triangle. Don't know why you would need that for a triangle, but okay. As you can see, you can make a line. There's different types of it. There's a center point rectangle I just like the 2-point rectangle. And if I make a square, I'm a fan of squares. Yeah, it just makes me a square, and it's a bit, it's just don't like the lines. I just like the 2 points rectangle. Now, there's a lot you can do with it. There's a 2-point rectangle. Now, I'm going to go to circle. There's a lot of difference. There's also the 2-point circle. Yeah, and if you click that, click pin to toolbar. I don't know why I didn't use it all this time. It just pins it to toolbar. Yeah, but I don't want to pin anything else to toolbar. I don't know why, but I just want to get rid of the center point circle. I'll do that after the video. But if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. And please subscribe. I've got a load of people not subscribing and watching my videos. So we've also got the arcs. Pretty easy. And as you can see, I've also pinned it to toolbar. So, yeah. And that's all of this. I'm just going to tell you a bit about the polygon. And as you can see, the polygon, it just makes it, it's not a polygon actually. In Tinkercad sense, it was nothing like the polygon. But I think you're just going to have to make a loft if you want it to be Tinkercad. Anyway, you can change the sides. And if I put 100, it makes it into a straight circle. Now I'm going to zoom into it for you. And where you see it divides, it's actually 1 point. So can you see the part where there's 2 lines? That's where it actually, that's one side. That is a long way finding. But yeah, as you can see, we've also got the 10, and we're gonna go hundreds. But I'm just gonna use a standard as 5 for nuts and bolts. Don't know why they put a circle in there, but that's probably to do with the laptop and stuff. Yeah, there. Now, as you can see, so yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Bye.